In this video, we're going to go over the options section in Google Earth Pro, and we're going to just give you a brief overview of some useful things that you can use for when you're working inside of here. So one of the most useful things in here, if you're actually trying to get points on a map, changing your decimal degrees, minutes, seconds, MGRS, UTM, all these different lat-long variations, these will change the default view that you see when you drop a point and you view its properties. So let's say that we drop a point here, right? It'll show in lat long currently, but if we change that item, then we will have that different a different option there, whatever you pick. So for a couple of these different items right here, if you change these will basically make everything maybe a little bit faster for you. Same with terrain. If you get rid of some of these like 3D imagery or high quality terrain, then you'll get quicker resolution and faster rendering. So these are just quality features in here. Okay, units of measurement, feet, miles, meters, kilometers, basically metric or standard. You can change that over. You can do your map size, you can change that, and then also your zoom relation. So cache, if you want to clear this will basically free up all of your space. Just kind of a different little feature in case it starts running slow. Try this. For touring, right here, so this kind of gives you some options to do with your tour filming, which we went over in a previous video. So this gives you just a couple different things you might want to change right here, like the speed of how fast the tour is moving, right? Let's see, navigation, fly to, right? So this is where your, so if I change this from slow to fast, or my mouse wheel from slow to fast, so this is just change the scroll speed with the mouse wheel, and then the fly to is like if I search for Nashville and it moves the whole map over there when it flies over there, and it can make it slower or faster, and this is preferable because sometimes stuff is too fast and it makes people dizzy or something like that. Right over here in general, we have just language, the email program if you're for whatever you're sending, and then your error handling. But basically we just went over all of the useful items here, or the main items, really quickly. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.